Hey there, how's your day going? I'm Dr. Leah and we're at First Place Chiropractic. Today I'm going to tell you about whiplash injuries. So whiplash injuries don't just have to come from being in a car accident. It actually can come from a bad fall, any type of jolt to the spine where your body is moving in one direction and gets jolted backwards. So this here is a model of the spine. So if your body is going forward like this, we're looking at it from the side, and it gets jolted forward, backwards. What that does is it tears ligaments loose here. Now there's ligaments running all the way down the back of the spine. Even though these bones move independently from each other, those ligaments are what helps provide more stability to the spine. So when your body is going forward and then suddenly back, it can actually tear loose those ligaments in this area, which can lead to what's called a whiplash injury, or in other words, a sprain. So if you've ever sprained an ankle, similar to what's happening with the spine, you're spraining your spine. That's a result of a whiplash injury. Now, many times that does happen in a car accident and we don't realize that. I did talk about car accidents not too long ago if you tuned in for that video. Otherwise, you can check it out on our YouTube channel if you're interested to hear more about that. But in our office, we're talking about whiplash injuries as the topic of our week. We do have these flyers here in the office that have just some research done on what happens to the body when you're in a whiplash type of injury. So the longest running study ever done on whiplash patients looked at their overall health almost 20 years after the accident. 55% of patients that dealt with a whiplash injury still experienced pain and discomfort. So it's important to make sure that it's getting taken care of if your body encounters that type of whiplash. Like I said, it's not just from a car accident or a significant fall forward. There can be multiple accidents. I played softball growing up and even diving, and I remember multiple times not keeping my chin tucked down in proper position. My head flew backwards, which wasn't good at all. It actually creates some chronic pain in the neck too. Now, thankfully, I've discovered NUCCA chiropractic care. It's very gentle and precise, but it protects my body, keeps my body healing forward too, even recovering from those injuries. So if you have any questions about this, give us a call in the office, 630-584-5200, or if you thought this video was helpful, like, comment, share with a friend. Thank you. Again, I'm Dr. Leah Winchell at First Place Chiropractic.